It's actually been a really productive speaking. Like, I've gone out a couple of times, which is pretty mind-blowing for me. A day off today. It's relatively early. I mean, it's before noon. I'll just say that. And I'm now in the stage where tomorrow's the start of a new week, and I just want to get this apartment a little tidier. So, it's like I did some cooking. I did a lot of like wardrobe changing, or clothes changing, I guess. I'm not Mariah Carey, but so clothes are all over the place. So which is also uncharacteristic of me. So I'm basically just going to kind of get this house together and tidy for the upcoming week, just so it looks good and makes me feel good when I get home from work. So the first thing, so here are my goals. I have to unpack my dishes, and I'll show you why. How many of y'all, show of hands, have a fat drawer? Okay, so I'm actually gonna consult the fat section of my refrigerator. Actually have beef fat, clarified butter, brown butter. Actually, this here, y'all, is bacon fat, and I think I'm gonna do that instead. So I had a really close friend come over for dinner this past Saturday night, and Saturdays are a work day for me, so I did not have a lot of time to prepare. I went with a classic roasted chicken over fingerling potatoes that you're seeing here. I let all that chicken drippings cook those potatoes, and it was supposed to be a really nice low-key night, but as you can see, we used every dish in sight. I'm pretty sure, like, make the bed. I want to do laundry. And then I got some records that I'll also be sharing with you guys. I want to actually give those a listen instead of just immediately putting them away and forgetting about them as per usual. So I'm going to try to multitask and play some of the records while I'm tidying up the kitchen. I also have 2 junk drawers that I know it's in the name, they're junk drawers, but I kind of want to see if I can tidy them up too. So that is what I've got going on today. I want this to be really low key. I don't really want to leave the house a lot today. Just want to tidy and hopefully do it with enough time to spare where I've got a big chunk of the day left over. So that is what we're gonna try to do. Okay, full transparency. I'm not doing the junk drawers today. It's just too much. This whole thing took about 2 hours, maybe a little less with some breaks in there. Kitchen pretty much went off without a hitch. Put the dishes away. Nothing more really needed to happen. Living room, minimal tidy. Listened to a couple of records. Still have a few more to go, but pleased with how it looks. I'd be happy to come home to this after a day of work. And the bedroom, I gave a light dusting to the shoe collection, made the bed. That's it. Drying clothes. Rewarded myself with some frozen pizza. The trick is extra mozzarella.